Then we're going to clamp to synchronize. So with the ODDV Action Camera, $50 Action Camera, this time I'm recording separate audio. I'm using a DJI Mic Mini connected to my smartphone, which is in my backpack, and it's recording audio. So I'm going to have to pull in the audio track separately into the video editor when I edit this video. You know, synchronize it. So that'll give you, the viewer, that'll give you a clue or a sense of the difference between the onboard audio from the camera and separately recorded audio. So this is the microphone right here. It's very tiny, and I've got the, you know, it's like animal fur, dead cat is what they used to call these things. It's a little dead cat windscreen, which is, it's essential anytime you're going to be moving through the air or the wind is blowing. Anytime you're outdoors, really, you got to have one of these dead cat windscreens on the mic. What I've discovered with this ODDV camera is that it's pretty good during daylight, but in the evening or any kind of nighttime low light situation, it's quite poor. And the onboard audio sucks. If you get a DJI Osmo Action Camera, which I just did, I ordered one. It's way more expensive, but I'm gonna be getting the DJI Osmo Action 5, and that has the receiver built into it, so you can connect a DJI wireless Mic Mini lapel mic directly to the camera. You don't need to use the receiver doohickey. What everybody does, you know. I mean, you gotta have external audio. You gotta have a microphone with a dead cat windscreen, and that's what you gotta use to pick up the audio. And so then you need to get that audio into the camera footage. And the easiest way to do that is to either have an external audio jack, but that's not real easy, because then you got to fiddle around with receivers and cables and what have you. So what's even easier is to have the wireless lapel mic or wireless microphone receiver built into the camera, and it takes that sound and encodes it right into the video, so you don't have to fiddle around with, you know, extra audio files. When you're editing the video. Although sometimes it is nice to have a backup audio source, because if something goes wrong with the first one, you've at least got something. So there are actually $20 to $30 solutions for wireless mics that are similar to the DJI Mic Mini that you could use with a cheap action camera. So if you don't have the budget for, you know, if you don't have $500, you can do it for under $100, but you're going to have some limitations. So this is where I'm picking up my lunch. Well, I call it lunch. It's not food, so it's not really lunch. That's why you feel hungry again half an hour or an hour after you eat here. McDonald's.